Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and TR Tech Tactical, and DIY Tube video community. I mention all these together today because this is one video that I'll be sharing across all my channels. I have the winners of the three S1300 GearLight LED lanterns. This is the one here that I've been using, and I'm just going to wrap up that review today. I have three more brand new in the box for three winners. The first winner, and I'll write these down below in the description and the comments. The first winner is Knight Rider 72, and I'll write that below. The next winner is Daniel Rent 01, and the third winner is, I think it's Ramius or Ramius, R-A-M-I-U-S 55. If one of these is your channel name on DIY Tube, please send me an email, admin@diytube.video, with your mailing address and your real full name so I can ship you one. Each of you get one of these pretty cool lanterns here, all for yourself. Never opened, brand new, packed in the box. So check out the description and comments below for the winners and the email, and stay tuned. We have more exciting giveaways to come. Congratulations to the three lucky winners, and we'll be sending them out as soon as I get your information. Talk to you all later.